So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the title of an active gig on your Fiverr account. Like if you published a gig, and if now you want to change the title of that particular gig, you can do the process even after publishing the gig to the public. Now first of all, you need to open the Fiverr account on any of the devices that you have been using. You can do the same process on smartphones as well. So first let me open my Fiverr account on my Windows PC browser. When I search there the Fiverr, now this is the home page of Fiverr. You all have been familiar with this. Now let me switch to my selling account. On the top right corner I'm going to see this option of switch to selling. When I click there, now this is the home page of your dashboard. Now first of all, you need to open your gig window. So on the top corner you're gonna see top window, you're gonna see the options of dashboard and my business and some more options as well. You need to click on this option of my business. When you click there, you're gonna find an option of gigs over there. Just simply click there. Now you're gonna see the gig page has been now opened. From here you're gonna see the list of all your active gigs that are currently being published. Now let me for example, let me say that if I want to change the title of this particular gig, you're gonna find these three option over the top, over the most right of this window. Just simply click there, and you're going to see this option of edit. When you click the edit button, you're gonna see I can now retitle the gig as per my convenience. For example, if I want to retitle this as edit your videos only, now I can you have to, which says your the title should have at least 4 words, so I at least add some more words. So for example, if I add YouTube videos, now this is, you're gonna see I can now update the title even after my gig is published, and I just need to hit save and my changes are going to be saved. Now you're gonna see when I hit save, a small process is going to be take place, and when I refresh this page, you're gonna see the published gig title has been now changed. By this method you can easily change the title of a published gig on your Fiverr account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.